In Volume 5 of Railfanning the Delaware Hudson, we'll railfan the D&H from the early 1970s into the mid-1980s. We begin at Green Village, Maine, under Guilford. And progress south through the scenic New England states into the Keystone state. Along the way, we'll catch a variety of power and connecting railroads, which interchange with the D&H. Highlights include the almost 5-mile-long Hoosac Tunnel, scenes on the Greenwich and Johnsonville, pot yard trains, a wreck at Spring Street in Moosic, and the PA fantrips during the D&H sesquicentennial from Hudson to Oneonta and Albany, and return.
We're going to start with the D&H in the Guilford era. Here's an eastbound D&H freight with a B&M leader on the back road in the Main Central at Green Village. Here comes the piggybacks. They call this Miss Piggy. Portland to Bangor turn, South Gardner, Maine. Only one GP38. Why is that? Because you only got a handful of cars. Now we're on the Connecticut River line at Cornish, New Hampshire. B&M freight crossing the Connecticut River. Here's a passenger train with RS-11s at the Route 22 crossing in Essex, New York. This is the southbound Adirondack, stopping for a station stop at Whitehall. Here we are at Skelly Road crossing. There goes the hack. Here we are shifting at Greenwich. Oh, come on. Here we are leaving Greenwich. Here's a northbound D&H freight at Cooperstown Junction, New York.
Northbound freight with an Alco and a GE passing the Borden Chemical Plant in Bainbridge.
Harpersville Trestle Northbound D&H guy. Talk about a wheel arm. Here comes RW6 at Lanesboro. All the Canadian paper products. There goes Bernie Gill. PYME, fighting hard to Mechanicville, coming north. At Cola Tower, Columbia. There goes a fellow from Ardmore on a cross-country run. We made it where we're at on a photo run by. So many onlookers came as far away as Ardmore to see this. There they are at Hudson. So we're coming near the end of D&H 5. I hope you'll like this. D&H was one darn good railroad. See you next time.